Everyone, there can be multiple reasons for the server is busy. Please try again later. Problem in DeepSeek. So in this video, I'm going to show you some mm, ways how you can fix this problem. So first of all, you can check DeepSeek server status. The first step to verify if the issue is related to DeepSeek server being down. If the servers are experiencing heavy traffic or downtime, there is not much you can do from your side, but wait for the service to resume. So for that, you have to visit DeepSeek's official website and track app time to see DeepSeek. Alternatively, you can follow DeepSeek's official website, social media accounts to check for updates on announcement related to server outages. And you can refresh the page or re-log in. You can press shortcut key like Control plus R or Control plus Shift plus R or Command plus R on Mac to refresh the page. And you can also click the refresh icon in your browser's address bar, and on DeepSeek app, if applicable, close the app completely and reopen it. You can also log out or log back in to reset your session. You can also clear browser cache and cookies. You can also check your internet connection if it's good or not, and use a different browser or device and check. And you can also disable extensions or add blockers. You can use a VPN, virtual private network, to see if it works like that. And you can contact DeepSeek support if any of the solution I have already told you about is not working with you, and we can wait for server overload to resolve. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.